How are you guys? Here's Ricardo Melo speaking again from Brazil, and we have another drop of inspiration. So I hope everything is okay with you and your family. Well, my dear friends, today we have a very interesting drop of inspiration. I'm here in Brazil at the airport, so I will get a flight as soon as possible. At least I hope so, in order to come back to my home. And I'm seeing a lot of people here anxious, and that's the point. What do you do when you get anxious? What do you do when you have a lot of anxiety in your life? Well, my dear friends, think about that's a very important issue. Why? Because that's a lot of people under depression and a lot of people under pressure because they don't know exactly what to do when they get anxious. And naturally, we have a busy day. We have a busy agenda, and get anxious is so easy in every moment. If we don't know exactly what we're gonna do when this kind of thing happens, we'll get lost and we'll make bad choice. Well, in my specific case, I spent 30 minutes around practicing meditation. It was pretty good for me. And now I'm recording this drop of inspiration because when I'm doing something that bring my mind and keep my mind focused on the right here and now, naturally I'm living the present moment. So my dear friends, it's very important you think carefully about that and you have your own strategy. For example, if you don't have your own strategies, what probably will happen? Probably we will live in the future worrying about something on the future or just dwell in the past. Definitely is not a good deal. So in our drop of inspiration of today, I ask you about your strategy to deal with anxiety. When you get anxious, what do you do? What's possible you do in order to have a great result regardless of the difficulties you are facing? So my dear friends, thank you so much for your attention. I hope you find out a great strategy that you can follow, and please share with me because I also need to learn more strategy to put into practice in my daily life. Okay? Oh, about it, I want to invite you for a great moment next week. On Monday, I will give an online lecture about how to deal with depression in English and in Portuguese at the same time. So you can make your enrollment, it's totally free naturally, in our website if you know that, if you prefers, I'm sorry, and you can make your enrollment filling out the form we are sending with this drop of inspiration. So thank you so much for your attention. I really hope you enjoy your day and you find the good strategy that we can follow. And remember, okay, just share with me as well. My dear friends, have a wonderful day, have a wonderful life, and thank you so much for spreading our drop of inspiration. See you soon, my dear friends. See you very, very soon.